Essential oils are made entirely of natural ingredients, that have primarily been used for medicinal purposes over the last 1,000 years. Because of its energizing and refreshing scent, lemon essential oil is one of the most easily recognized essential oils. Lemon oil can be used for a variety of purposes, including natural tooth whitening, household cleaner and laundry, mind refreshment, and the killing of various harmful viruses and bacteria in the human body. This oil is derived from a light pressing of the lemon peel rather than the inner portion. Lemon oil has been shown to kill diphtheria bacteria in about 20 minutes. Furthermore, it is thought to be ideal for killing germs in waiting rooms, schools, and hospitals. Following are numerous benefits of lemon essential oil on the body. Help you breathe easier and soothe a sore throat. Lemon essential oil works well as a home remedy for a sore throat. Because lemon oils contain vitamin C, they help to kill bacteria in the throat and make breathing easier. All you have to do is gargle with 2 drops of lemon oil in a half-filled cup of water using a diffuser. You will feel more relaxed in your throat and mind if you use an oil diffuser. Make your skin healthier. Lemon essential oil reduces acne by nourishing our body's damaged skin cells and hydrating our skin. It removes dead skin cells from the skin due to its high antioxidant content. Simply incorporate a few drops of the oil into your skincare routine to notice a difference in your body. Furthermore, to reduce the oily appearance on your body, simply apply lemon essential oil to the oily areas. The only thing to keep in mind when using lemon essential oil is to apply it at night, or at least 12 hours before coming into direct contact with sunlight. Purify the body. Lemon essential oil is an excellent immune system stimulant. It has a significant impact on blood cells, preventing the flu from easily attaching to the body. According to a 2016 report, animal studies discovered that it reduces oxidative stress in the body. To boost immune support, mix a few drops of oil with coconut oil and massage it into your back, particularly your neck. Usage of lemon essential oil on household goods. Lemon essential oil has a refreshing scent, making it the most popular essential oil among others. It aids in removing stinky odors from various locations, and leaving a mind-refreshing scent in their place. Lemon oil cleans the wood and makes it feel like new. Simply combine olive oil and lemon essential oil in a spray bottle and apply it in a circular motion to the wooden material. It aids in the removal of musky odors from clothes that have been left in the washer for an extended period of time. Simply spray 30 drops of oil into the washing machine. Lemon essential oil is an excellent home remedy for household use because it can be used to make a chemical-free homemade dishwasher. Simply combine an orange and oil. Thank you for watching and may this information useful for you.